Hi, this is Barnaby from Joyce Insurance. A common question we receive is, what is New York State disability insurance? Well, New York State DBL covers loss of wages for employees who are sick or injured outside of work. It only pays loss of wages, does not pay medical bills. It pays around $172 a week, but the employee or employer can purchase extra coverage before the accident. It differs from workers' comp in two ways. One, workers' comp pays for both medical and loss of wages, but only on the job incidents, where disability covers if the incident happens off the job. But again, no medical payments, just loss of wages. The second is workers' comp premiums are paid by the employer, where disability policy premiums can be collected back from the employee, so the net result can be almost zero to the employer.